Greetings. Isabel Garcia, eager to report that the Adult Education and Literacy Strategic Staff Development Plan is complete and ready to bring to fruition. The past several weeks has brought to life all the necessary elements of a comprehensive plan to execute a successful project. The technical working group and I have collectively supplied the parts of the puzzle essential to implement and realize the project. This is a multifaceted endeavor that will serve to positively impact the instructional deliverables as well as program quality and student outcomes. The initial phase will have the technical working group meeting to introduce the project along with objectives and goals being sought. Committee brainstorming and input will be solicited and considered. A project charter will have been drafted and the TWG familiarized with the general plan. This will provide the roadmap to success and provide the necessary framework to launch the project and keep the team focused. A subsequent meeting of the TWG will entail conveying additional clarification and specifics on how we will proceed. I will serve to delineate the various stages of the project and essential components. Tasks and responsibilities will be thoroughly explored and communicated via a work breakdown structure. This will serve as a living blueprint for the work ahead and effectively illustrate all aspects of the project at hand. As AEL Office Manager, I will develop the operating budget in line with current year professional development allocations. The budget will reflect the projected expenses associated with the prospective staff development activities included in the strategic professional development plan. It will have the necessary cost categories and contingency or management reserve to facilitate needed changes or mid-course corrections. The final approved budget will be presented at the next scheduled TWG meeting and incorporated into the project plan. Next, timelines and deadlines will be established to keep the plan moving and on schedule. These specifics will highlight important project deliverables and milestones throughout the life of the project. Utilizing Project Tracker, the TWG will be able to gauge and visualize the progress of the project through the use of technology. Real-time measures will keep the team informed and chart the efficiency of the project. This will allow the TWG to identify lagging areas and afford the opportunity to allocate additional resources or better manage needed changes. The project is only as strong as the glue. The glue that will hold the TWG together and build cohesiveness is communication. Therefore, a project communication plan will be created and disseminated to all team players. This instrument will identify the various documents, who is responsible for creating each document, by when or how frequently the document must be distributed, to whom each document is to be distributed, and what action each recipient is expected to take. This will leave no ambiguity of responsibility and serve to provide clear direction. Yet another TWG deliverable will be the project assignment schedule, which will provide with absolute clarity the desired deliverables and milestones that must be accomplished for the success of the project. It will convey who on the team is responsible for what, by when, and how. This will account for an equal distribution of tasks and utilize skills and talent to maximum efficiency. The final phase will include a scheduled mid-year post-project evaluation meeting. This will allow the TWG and the administration to weigh in on the effectiveness of the project and afford the opportunity to make course corrections. The end of the year will realize another such meeting to evaluate the impact and effectiveness of the project in its entirety on the AEL program. Depending on the final results, due recognition and celebration will be in order to characterize and promote its exemplary contributions and effort. Reflection and lessons learned will be documented for future reference and to help develop a continuous improvement plan going forward. Thank you.